Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. First of all, it is a unified token of the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance combining Fetch.ai, SingularityNET, and Ocean Protocol. Its main utility is powering decentralized AI services, staking, and governance across all three platforms. So that's just a few information about this token. Now, I just want to talk about this because it is having some volume right now, and we're gonna talk about what's happening right now. Why is it having some volume? And we're gonna go through the charts. By the way, this token has 668 million market cap and currently has a 24-hour volume of 85 million dollar. So when it comes to a year difference, compared to last year, the price was $2.13, and now it's just 23 cents. So that's 79% down compared to last month. It's 57% down, and yeah, it seems like it's stable for the past week now. So let's talk about it and let's go through the charts. We are on the weekly time frame. So as you can see, guys, it had a support down here, which is still being respected as of the moment, and that's why I think some people are buying right now because this zone is actually a support zone. When we say support zone, this is where investors are going in to buy some of these tokens, and they could possibly sell these tokens at the nearest resistance. So this is what I'm seeing right now. We have the resistance right here, and we're hitting the support, and it seems like the price is also reacting. So if you guys can check this wick, this means the buyers were winning the trade-off against the sellers. So right now the price is slowing down to go even lower, and it seems like we are trying to bounce in this support. And if we actually have enough buying pressure, then the price is possibly gonna go on the resistance back to 80 cents. So I think it's gonna take more days to get here, but at least that is what I'm seeing right now. The price is slowing down, trying to gain momentum from the buyers, and possibly gonna hit the resistance back the 80 cents. And hopefully, guys, hopefully we break this resistance, because that is the only way we can go back up to $2 or even $4. Again, you can check out this wick. This wick is bigger than the body, so that means the buyers tried to push the price up, especially at this area. Buyers were here, and they're just waiting for the price to come back to 80 cents and maybe sell from there, or they think of it as an opportunity before the price goes back up. So yeah, I guess that's all. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.